Yep, just went ahead and downloaded the file. It's called Windows 8 Release Preview 64-bit English. You can tell it's there, .iso, and it's 3.4 gigabytes. So I just right click it, hit Burn Disk Image, and this comes up. I already put the disk in. I just hit Burn, and now I go ahead and wait for it to finish burning. Yep, now it's finalizing the disk, and then it's going to pop out. Alright, so we're going to create a extra partition to install Windows 8 on, and then we'll have a dual boot set up. So what we're going to do is go to Start, right click on Computer, hit Manage. Here we go to Disk Management, maximize. Okay, my current Windows 7 partition is C. It's 93 gigabytes. Windows 8 needs at least 20 gigabytes to run. I'm going to give it 45. So I'm going to right click, shrink volume. Maximum size is 95 gigabytes. Size of available shrink space in megabytes. Okay, it's only going to give us 35, but we'll take it. So shrink. So here we get our shrink space unallocated. We're going to go ahead and right click it, new simple volume, follow through the wizard. We want to use all the space. I wanted to name it G, and I just want to assign it the letter G and hit next. We want NTFS. We also want to just call this Windows 8 Consumer Preview. Yes, we want to perform a quick format, and no, we don't want to check that. So next, finish. Okay. Yeah, now I'm rebooting from the disk that I put back in the CD player. Alright, basically I want to make sure that I can boot from my CD player. So here, boot priority order, yes. Internal optical drive is first. So let's F10, save and exit. Oh, here we go, random, actually the standard Windows screen, ask for your language, time and currency format, keyboard input method. Let's install now. Hopefully it gives us the option for custom. Okay, we have a problem. I gotta go back to the website and figure out how to get the CD key. Yep, the plot thickens. To get the CD key, you just go to the Windows 8 Release Preview ISO Images page, and you scroll down, and they have a public key that everybody can use, and here it is. I'm going to write it down. Now that that's done, we have a key. We're going to go ahead and reboot, and it turns out many people had that same problem with finding the key. You can either go to the website and click Get It Now, and it will give it to you, or you can just use the public one, which I just wrote down. Yeah, here we go again. Rebooting from the disk. Yeah, I just went ahead and entered in the CD key. And more standard stuff, accept and custom, and the 35 gigabyte Windows 8 consumer preview from earlier. Next. Yeah, this usually takes a while. Yeah, I didn't press anything at that prompt where it said to boot from the CD, so just let it do its thing. Don't press any keys. Yep, there it was. That's the boot up screen, so automatically entered the options. If you saw Windows 8, that's the new one. Windows 7 was in there. Ubuntu 12.04 is my Linux partition. So I have a triple boot system. Nah, I don't use Internet Explorer. Okay, Windows. Okay. Well, this is it. Windows 8. Desktop. My computer. Not really sure how you're supposed to find stuff yet. Well, let's see if we can get the resolution right.